Nowadays, kids have to manage their school, their online classes, and extracurricular activities, right? And don't you think if an organizer would have been there, it would be really helpful? Let's connect. Do you also follow a weekly timetable or a study plan? So let's make a timetable using HTML. Let's reflect. What are rows and columns in a table, and how do you enter times, subjects, and all things in a table? Let's experiment the code and see how it works. So here you can see on my screen, I've added some basic tags over here, head and body, right? In the body tag, I've added one tag that is known as table, and in that table tag, we are creating the first row, okay? So to create a row, we use a TR tag, right? So first row is going to be the heading, so I've added a TH tag, right? Let's write. So first heading of our table could be day. Okay, then let's write on time, and the second one we are going to write again. All right, okay, now let's run and see whether we are getting the output or not. Yes, we got something, but doesn't look that much right? So let's add some more data to it. So I'm adding data as Monday, adding subjects as here, maths and coding. All right, now let's run and check what we're getting. Let's analyze. So we got something in the output, but does it look like the table that we wanted? Let's tweak. So now let's add borders and background color to make our table look more effective. So here in the style tag, I've given for TH and TD border. So let's write down 2px, a solid border, okay? And you can choose any color. Let's give a blue color for the border. So I've written here blue. All right. Let's give a background color for the table to make it more presentable. So I'm giving a basic pink color for the background color. Okay. After giving a small basic CSS, let's run and see how our table looks like. Yes, better, right? So you can see here we have a nice border and background color for our heading even. So now let's optimize our table by adding more details and make it look more presentable. So here I'm going to add more rows to the table. Okay. For other days even, so I've added for Tuesday, Wednesday, right? You can even add it for the whole week, and let's run and see. Yes, so now we have got a table, right, which has all the days, time, and it looks more presentable. Let's revisit. So now use the same logic and create a meal planner and share it on our community channel. See how simple it was to understand using Codeian signature teaching method, the Creator Framework.